What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn about how to actually resume a session if you have already created it. The session is open here for me, and I'm just going to go ahead and clear the session by pressing escape key, then pressing escape key again, and then entering exit, and thus the session will be closed. So now I have nothing on it. I'm just gonna go ahead and close this window as well, so there is no cache. Now I wanted to resume this left section, and to resume it, first I had to type Claude and then to dash sign, type in resume, and then I had to go ahead and press the square bracket, type in the name session 1. So yeah, I'll do it again. Session 1. You just have to type the name of your previous session here. If you are saving it with the name, if you're not saving it with the name, you guys can always ask the Claude to name your previous sessions, and thus you will be able to see what kind of session was it. So I'm gonna paste it again. There is no sessions like those. So if you like me, I'm not sure what was the name of the last session. So I'm gonna go ahead and ask the Claude to name my last session. So first thing is I forgot the name of my last session. Name it so I can. So now it will go back to the memory, see and fetch the details like what sort of commands, what sort of memory was there. Because the memory doesn't lose, it stores in the cache. Unless your PC dies, everything is stored in the cache. So now it's going through the memories. These are the dir files. These are the dir numbers. These are the memories, these are the session which are not actually saved. For example, here is session ID ZA these ones. So if I want to resume it, I will simply go ahead and type this command and it will be resumed like that. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one. Take care.